Hey everybody, it's Ms. Ladd again, and we are on Unit 5, Lesson 7, Loops Practice, Level 9. All right, so let's take a look at what we got going on here. By combining the iterator variable I with strings, for example, dice plus I, in the program below, you can change the properties of many screen elements all at once. Okay, do this. The program is supposed to roll 20 dice, but it has several things that need to be improved. Make it roll all 20 dice, add code so that it calculates the number of even rolls, and update the code so that only even rolls get a white border. Okay. So this is what we have here. All right, so let's see kind of where we're at, what this looks like. Let's hit run, roll those dice. Okay, there we go. All right, so we probably need something that gives it the total evens as well. So let's odds plus total evens. Oh, I see. They're going to want us to add this here. So let's do that first. We can say else. We can just say else. We can just say else. And then here we'll just say evens, even plus plus, or evens plus plus. Let's make sure that we create a variable up here, because look at this little yellow thing. It's probably saying, hey, it hasn't been declared yet. No, it hasn't. So let's do that. Evens equals 0. Let's initialize it at that value. So here we are using the keyword var that tells JavaScript that this is a variable. We're naming it evens. We're setting or assigning the value of 0. Okay, so we are declaring the variable and assigning it a value. All right. Otherwise, if you declare a variable and don't assign it a value, it is undefined. All right, just to kind of remind you of that, how that works. All right, so var roll random number, set property, dice text roll. Okay, so no matter what happens, I'm just going to do this. I was going to use the modulus operator, but I'm going to do this and put it into the even spot, because then that way we just have the border width of 1 and it'll come up with the border width of white, or the border width. I'm sorry, it'll just come up with, it'll set the property of the border width on each of these elements. And I think it's white by default just because of the way that this showed up. Okay, so also only has 10, so we need to make sure that this is updated to 20. And I think that's all we need to do. Let's take a moment, reset, and run. Oh, I just remembered something. We need to add plus evens. Otherwise, our values are not going to show up. So let's do this. Hit run, hit roll those dice, and see what happens. Okay, there we are. Well, look at that. We got quite the even spread between the two of them. And you can see all the even numbers have a border around them versus all the odd numbers that don't. Okay, that should do it. So let's go ahead and finish. All right, Unit 5, Lesson 7, Loops Practice, Level 10 and 11. So 10 and 11 are both assessment points. So I'm not going to show you how to do these. You have to figure them out yourself based off of what's been done. All right, if you have any questions about this or anything else, let me know. All right.